resolution congratulating and commending the Alas Pilipinas for delivering historic back-to-back bronze medals at the 2024 Men's Southeast Asian Volleyball League Tournament. Alas Pilipinas Men's National Volleyball Team put on display their extraordinary skill and talent and defeated Vietnam in a 5-set thriller during a second leg to clinch another bronze. At sa Alas Pilipinas Women's National Volleyball Team, sa kanila pong pagsungkit ng bronze medal sa 2024 Asian Volleyball Confederation, Ginoong Pangulo, kahit po maikling oras lamang ang naging preparasyon, ipinakita po ng koponan na ito ang tagumpay mula sa kanilang sipag, tiyaga, dedikasyon at hindi matitinag na diwa at puso ng ating mga atleta, coaches at buong support team. Isang karangalan ang makasponsor nito at muli mabuhay ang mga atletang Pilipino. Maraming salamat and may God bless us all.